Gravitational wave. Gravitational waves are disturbances in the curvature, fabric, of spacetime, generated by accelerated masses, that propagate as waves outward from their source at the speed of light. Gravitational wave astronomy is a branch of observational astronomy that uses gravitational waves to collect observational data about sources of detectable gravitational waves such as binary star systems composed of white dwarfs, neutron stars, and black holes, and events such as supernovae, and the formation of the early universe shortly after the Big Bang. These are actual waves in spacetime. This was known recently, however they were portrayed in the Quran 1,400 years before they were discovered. Quran. On the day when the heaven vibrates in waves. This verse says that the heaven will vibrate in waves. Today we know that gravitational waves are actual waves. However, when a gravitational wave passes through an object, it stretches and contracts it in a specific way. Mobilize. A gravitational wave stretches and contracts an object in its place, does not toss it around like the waves at the beach. This is described in the Quran by Tamr, which means vibrates. The Quran is describing vibrations caused by waves. Today we know that gravitational waves stretch and contract an object in its place. When a star moves, it generates gravitational waves in spacetime similar to when a ship moves, it generates waves in water. This was only known recently, however this was portrayed in the Quran 1,400 years before it was discovered. Quran. It is He who created the night and the day, and the sun and the moon, everything swimming in an orbit. Today we know why the Quran used this word, swimming, because they are generating waves in spacetime. No preferred directions in space. Definition of isotropy. No preferred directions in space. Definition of isotropy qualitatively. Isotropy refers to the absence of preferred directions in space. Primordial Cosmology, Montani Battisti Benigni Imponent, World Scientific, 2011, page 97. There are no preferred directions in space. This was known recently, however this was portrayed in the Quran 1,400 years ago before it was discovered. Quran. Allah is the light of the heavens and the earth. The allegory of His light is that of a pillar on which is a lamp. The lamp is within a glass. The glass is like a brilliant planet, fueled by a blessed tree, an olive tree, neither eastern nor western. Its oil would almost illuminate, even if no fire has touched it. Light upon light. Allah guides to His light whomever He wills. Allah thus cites the parables for the people. Allah is cognizant of everything. Neither eastern nor western means no preferred directions in space.